Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners on Bob Iacchino, again doing our crypto analysis in Motive Wave. Check them out for a free trial. And since you can do the cryptocurrencies in Motive Waves, now it comes in very handy, and you'll be able to recreate all our various analysis techniques, and even new ones we'll go into shortly. Bitcoin 4-hour chart drifting sideways, coming down, just spiking right about, we were watching right around this 1100 level, just spiking down to the, what was the low, 11,119. So we had this wide cluster, 11,094 to 11,123, just spiking down to the top of it, then moving sideways, coming up to test the rotation zone. Key areas we're watching on a closing basis: above 11,600, resumption of the bull trend for us; below 11,100, a larger pullback. So those are the two sides that we are watching. If we do get below 11,100, then we're watching 10,960 area, then 10,725 to the upside. Above this 11,600, we'll be watching for 12,000, sorry. And then we have 12,100, and then we have 12,316 to the upside. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Daily chart, let's expand this. Oops, didn't want to move that. That was a mistake. There we go. I'll have to fix that in a second. But that'll give us a rough idea. Daily chart. Let me try to expand this again. There we go. So what are we looking for on here? You see so far inside bar, bottom of the rotation zone, just slightly above this 10,961. So about 10,000. Well, we'll just go with 11,000. That's about the key support based off the daily chart. That, so if on the spike down, really watch that 10,961 to 11,000 mark. Then you can see here that 11,600 is above the prior day's high. So then we'd have a nice strong rotation up, and we'd be watching for a return, especially to about this 12,000 level. You can see right over here all the major candle bodies lining up right there. So let's switch over to Ethereum. Ethereum just drifting sideways, you know, coming down. We were watching this 203 level, spiking below it just a couple times, and then returning, actually getting above the rotation zone before just in this horizontal congestion, running up to 50-period exponential moving average. Not a lot of information here. Let's just switch over to daily chart and see what the major things are. So rotation zone just above yesterday's high, 217. So if we get a move above 217, we'll be watching minor resistance 218.75, the 50% retracement from this up move, prior up move, and then we'd be watching for about 220, 250 to the downside. I'm just going to update this. I didn't do it on Bitcoin because we didn't have a spike down to close enough that lower level. I want to do it on this one though. 196. So if we break below 201, we'll be watching for 196, then 191 area. Again, rotation zone still against us, acting not as strong as Bitcoin, but in a nice horizontal pattern. If you're watching for key levels, again, above 217 gets into more neutral to bullish mode. The rotation zone is against us, so that's why I'm saying neutral to slightly bullish. Below 206 gets us back into bearish mode. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.